Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. So this is about me. I am a computer science gate faculty having more than 5 plus of teaching experience, mentored more than 50,000 students, taught in different coaching institute all over India. Okay, it's like the Gate Academy, even qualified multiple times Gate, and even I have given the coaching in many government colleges as well as in many private colleges. Like in SRM Chennai, I have given coaching. CAT Bhubaneswar, I have given. BC Bhagalpur, Jorhat College of Engineering, Guwahati University, Dibrugarh University, Government College of Engineering and Technology, Jammu, Ramgarh Engineering College. Okay, these are the colleges where I have went and I have given the coaching. Now you can tell me, sir, C, why to learn C? Why to learn C? This is a main question anyone can ask you, that we are having object oriented programming. We want object to be that privacy. We want object, that in encapsulation, all these things are there in object oriented programming. Java is there. But then why we are going to learn C? Why we need to learn C? Why we want to learn C? Why we want to learn C? See, C, C is the one programming language. If you even want to learn the common answer that a student give, that if you want to learn the Java, C++, you need to know the basic, and the basic is well explained in the C language. You say that sir C में तो बहुत easy सब चीज समझाया गया, पहले C पढ़ेंगे तो object oriented programming, Java, C++, then it will be easy to learn. Yeah, this is also means you can say that it's relatively correct, but when it comes about the performance of any programming language, no one beats C. No one beats C. The hardware interaction of C is very fast. Performance is high and speed is very fast. So even when whatever game you are playing, whatever operating system, just like now the operating system which I am using is Windows. In Windows also, the most part of the operating system is written in C. So C is a very good performance programming language. Okay, so you can write, and there are many more example. I will give you the real time example where we are using this C. So major part of you write. So the notes that I'm going to give is going to be the base note. So major part of popular operating system. If anyone asks you that why you are learning C, you give them the reason why we are learning C. So many part of the popular operating system, like like Windows, Unix, Linux, are still written in C. They are still written in C programming language. Still, okay. Now devices, that the device driver you use, that which will let you know that this is a mouse. If you click that speaker, for speaker we require a device driver. All the programs are exclusively written in C. So device driver programs are exclusively written in C. And one more thing that I forgot to tell you, the average marks of this, the average marks of this subject in your gate is highest. Average marks in gate is highest. In last 10 years, if you will tell me, last 10 years, this is the highest marks. This is the only subject which is having a highest marks average. So it's going to cover 13, means from 13 to 50 marks question you are going to get in your gate exam average. So average marks in last 10 years they have asked from C and data structure, programming and data structure. So C average is 8 and data structure average is 4. So you are, at least you are going to get a 12 marks from this programming and data structure. At least 12 marks you are going to get. Okay, at least. This is both. This is for programming and data structure. Okay, this is for average marks of programming and data structure. Programming and data structure in last 10 years. Okay. and separately C 8 marks, data structure 4. So it is a very important subject. No one should miss that. Even if you are from other department also, then also one should know C. So device driver program are exclusively written in C. Now, now you are using, many of you are using smartphone. We are using the smartphone. Micro oven we are having, the washing machine, digital camera we are having. We are using device this. Now, if the performance of this, all the cellular phone and all these devices are getting improved, how they are getting improved? By using the three things. One is microprocessor, and an operating system, and a program embedded in it. And the program that is written in this micro oven, your washing machine, your digital camera is written in C only. It's written in C only. So like mobile devices, you write mobile device like devices like cellular cellular phones, many devices like cellular phones and palm tops, common common consumer devices, कॉमन कंज्यूमर डिवाइसेस। सी लैंग्वेज का बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस है, हाँ बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस है। डिवाइसेस लाइक माइक्रो ओवन, लाइक माइक्रोवेव और माइक्रोवेव ओवेंस, वॉशिंग मशीन, वॉशिंग मशीन्स, वॉशिंग मशीन्स एंड डिजिटल कैमरा एंड डिजिटल कैमरा cameras are getting smarter by the days, means by the time it is getting smarter. Now this smartness comes from a this smartness comes from a microprocessor. So microprocessor is also important. So but this is not in our part of syllabus, so we are not going to learn. And an operating system, you have learned the, in OS you can learn, and even it is not required, an operating system and a program and a program and a program written in this device, written in this device. So just write it. So everyone please like this session and share with your friends so that they can learn the C programming, and even it is free. So this smartness comes from a microprocessor, an operating system, and program written in these devices. So this smartness comes from a microprocessor, an operating system, and a program written in these devices. Such program, such programs are written in such program are written in C. Okay, and the next one, just like many of you like to play games, so even many popular game framework has been built using C language. So many popular, so if you want to be a good developer, you should have a good command on C programming language. Many popular gaming framework have been have been built have been built using using C language, using C language. So many popular gaming framework has been built in C language. So the reason of all this is, whenever it comes the performance, then nothing beat C. This is because, so you can write, this is because even today, this is because even today, even today when it comes when it come to performance, when it come to performance, so performance means fast, okay, that is speed of execution, speed of execution, speed of execution. Nothing beats C. Okay. So we have learned till now that why to learn C, what are the importance of C. Okay. Now who has invented C? Yeah, I think that everyone must know that it is a Dennis Ritchie at AT&T's Bell Laboratory of USA in 1972. See, who has invented C? That is not going to be asked in your gate, but in your placement they can ask. But in your, because this is a general question. If one engineer should know that who has invented C programming language. Okay, in your some competitive exam they can ask. Okay, so this you should know, and there is a history about how, because it is not intensely developed by the Dennis Ritchie. Dennis Ritchie was developing some operating system, and because developing that he has invented that C programming language. Okay, so if you learn the preface of that in the that book NCC, you will get the history how the Dennis Ritchie has invented, but history I'm not going to say here.